So the likelihood is your adapters are running in a factory without an internet connection. So how do you quickly find out whether the software running on the adapters can be updated? If you go over to recipe via file, download the recipe to your device, take that file to a computer that has an internet connection, go to updates.multiplug.app, choose file and select the app file you just downloaded, upload, and this will go off and compare the version numbers found in the recipe file with the latest versions found on the internet. And if there is an update, you will get a visible alert down this column here where you can download the latest NUPKG file, which then you can transfer to the adapter to be upgraded manually. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.